be peaceful and nice to everybody. And another thing he said was, if you at every moment remember that you are here only for this brief time, that you will go away. If you just remind yourself that tomorrow, we take this life for granted and we think it is going to go on forever. But if you remember for yourself that tomorrow you may die, then you have just this hours to live. Wouldn't you do the best every moment? Wouldn't you love everybody that moment? Wouldn't you do all the things that you love or you value? Do that every moment of your life. Remind yourself that this existence could just go off in a second and it could happen anytime. The moment you keep reminding yourself of your mortality, you will automatically start living in a much nicer way. So those are the two things that I really understood from this whole talk today. Yes, I think everybody can watch Sadhguruji's DVDs. There's a lot of wisdom and there's a lot of his messages are very clear, crisp, and I think he makes it simple for you to understand that you've got to value your life. You've got to value just the fact that you're a human being, and that as a human being, the sky is not the limit. And I think for people who are in business or even who are just in homes, running homes, Leadership Beyond the Leader or any other DVD of Sadhguruji, I think it's enriching and enjoyable. He's a wonderful speaker and he makes so much sense to you that you want to absorb every word that he says. So I highly recommend that you watch his DVDs.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.